Welcome, welcome. So glad you're here and for your interest in this demonstration. I'm going to jump right into it. We have an AI agent that can be triggered on any action, essentially a web form or a chat widget, whatever it is. When we can collect the user phone number, we can kick off a conversation with the agent that can book in appointments in real-time availability without sending a single link. Let's go ahead and jump into it. In this case, we're going to go ahead and trigger the agent with a chat widget that we have. We can do this again through a web form. Someone can even email you, whatever it is. Like, we can trigger this agent as long as we have a phone number. Let's go ahead and start it. Before I do that, I want to show you right here that in my opportunities pipeline, I have no current opportunities. That's by design. It's a demo. And when I click this and go ahead and kick it off, we are going to then begin the conversation with the agent, and we're going to see the lead show up right here inside of the lead needs to schedule opportunity. Bam, there I just showed up. Super cool. Now, what's going to happen next is I want to show you that in my calendar, I have set up some blocked times here. The agent is going to reach out here in just a moment and propose on autopilot, looking at my availability, sometimes that can work for the user. Again, I've set up some block times here that are unavailable. Let's go ahead and jump into the conversation. And right here, we can see that the agent has said, hey, thank you for showing interest in our agency service. Let me go ahead and pull up that chat here on my phone. You can see here that I got I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but that is dated for right now. Today is 4/10/2025. This message came in at 2:21 p.m. Awesome. It's 2:21 p.m. on my computer. And it says, actually, you can see that right here, that came in at 2:21. We got a 30-minute Zoom Monday, April 14th at 2025 at 2:30 or Tuesday at 1. Would either of those times work for you? And I'm going to say, got anything for Friday, tomorrow? At what time is blocked here? This is 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. Boom, send. Okay, cool. So I just responded back as the lead. And in my conversation here, we're going to see that come through. Got anything for Friday, tomorrow at 3 p.m. The AI is going to reassess the situation and see if that time is available. All of this conversation is monitored and accessible inside of this conversation thread. And in just a moment here, it looks like we don't have any availability for 3 p.m. Perfect. We don't want it to say it does because we don't have a time slot available, and say, okay, cool. Wednesday, April 16th at 3 or Thursday. Notice it's trying to find a time that works for me during that time of day. I'm going to go ahead and lock in April 16th. Actually, I said Monday. Let's do something like this. I'm going to say, let's do that Monday at, what did he say? 2:30 at 2:30. 2:30. Awesome. Monday at 2:30. Awesome. Sending. Cool. So I just sent that over. Cool. It's going to now confirm here in just a moment. Let's go back to our opportunities here. And we're going to see this opportunity card. Once the appointment is confirmed, go ahead and update to booked needs to show. They're going to get a confirmation and a reminder that they're going to get a confirmation email. They're going to get a calendar invite from Google. This opportunity stage is going to be updated here in just a second. It should kick over. And everything's going to end up on the calendar and look groovy. Let this run for just a second here. Let's take a look at there it went, bam, I get antsy. So there it went, it just kicked over. The appointment is confirmed. Let's take a look right here. Awesome. So it says right here, David, you are confirmed for Monday the 14th at 2:30. We will send a calendar invite to your email within the next 5 minutes. Boom, appointment is created inside of the CRM here. Here is the calendars. Let me go ahead and refresh on this. This is our appointments inside of the CRM. I got a few things running, so it's a little slow here. Let's go and look at the calendar. So on the calendar here for Monday, bam, here I am, David Mason with David Mason, AI Automation Discovery Call. It is booked in for 2:30, the 14th. That is correct. And we will see the appointment here in just a moment. It's still loading. Boom, upcoming right here. It's confirmed. It is set up. Last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look at the email here that was sent. This is the confirmation here. By the way, I created this Gmail inbox blur for, this is not the video. This is actually an extension that I use in Chrome that I created with AI. Let me go ahead and click on here. Let me go ahead and open this up. Cool. Boom. David, thanks for booking your call. It's a confirmation for this date time. Look forward to. You can reschedule whatever. Leave reminders, unsubscribe. They are now in a drip to be reminded to show up to the call with the Zoom link sent. This is absolute fire and money. Let me see here what is next. Did I show you everything I wanted to show you? Everything is good to go. If you are interested in plugging this into your business, especially if you have a lot of leads coming in that you cannot get to, and you want to conversationally book them in with no link sent, link in description. Let's have a quick discovery call and see if this is a fit for you. Appreciate your time and energy in looking into this. Appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.